Alright, we'll get started. Tonight we got all 2020. We got 2 legacy packs, hobby packs. We got 2020 Donruss, Prestige. We got Donruss Elite and Chronicles. And we'll just start with the Prestige. Good game on tonight between the Ravens and the Chiefs. All right, we got Michael Gallup, Noah Fant. Got Lane Johnson, Matthew Stafford. We got TJ Watt, Brian Burns. We got Derrick Henry from the Prestigious Pros. And Andrew Thomas, rookie card for the Giants. Kid Reporter. Got Dexter Lawrence, Harrison Butker, Geno Atkins, Juju, Julian Edelman, Derrick Henry, highlight reel, Christian McCaffrey, and Jalen Johnson for the Bears. Got Tyreek, Joe Mixon, got Chris Godwin, DJ Chark, Taysom Hill, Zadarius Smith. Got a Nick Chubb inside the numbers. We had a good day yesterday. And we got Noah Igabin Beheem, if I can say that right, Kid Reporter. We got Deshaun Jackson, Kenyon Drake, Nick Mullins, James Devlin, A.J. Brown, Cooper Kupp, Nick Bosa extra points, and Denzel Mims for the Jets. Got Ryan Finley, Jalen Smith, Drew Lock, Kevin Byard, Justice Hill, Alejandro Villanova, Luke Kalicki on a worldwide, and Willie Gay Jr. for the Chiefs. Got Leighton Vander Esch, Golden Tate, Darwin Thompson, Marquez Valdez-Scantling, Big Ben, Jarrett Stidham. We got Zadarius Smith, extra points, and Joshua Kelly for the Chargers. Deebo Samuel, Patrick Mahomes, Jermaine Pratt, got Leonard Fournette, Traquan Smith, and we got a patch, Baker Mayfield, stars of the NFL. Got a powerhouse, Aaron Jones, and we got a Tua for the Dolphins, and Kid Reporter. How's it going, Dustin? sure we'll see some Judy and Herbert before it's over with. Von Miller, Alshon Jeffrey. We got Patrick Peterson. Got Sony Michel, Corey Davis. Got Aaron Donald. Got impressions, Saquon Barkley, and Isaiah Simmons for the Cardinals. All right, we'll do the Donruss. And for the Jets, looks like we got a magnet card. Rise and Shine. Or Jets, I'm sorry, the Eagles. Rise and Shine, Carson Wentz. Doing good, Dustin. Getting ready to enjoy this Monday Night Football, man. It's going to be a good game. Shaquille Griffin. We got Cameron Jordan, Kenyon Drake, Matthew Stafford. We got Roquan Smith, Jeff Okudua. We got Jeff Okudua for the Lions. Then we got Tyler Boyd, James Conner, and Kid Reporter. Bernie Kosar, Nick Chubb, O.J. Howard. Then we got Matt Ryan, Jelani Tavai. And we got Noah again for the Dolphins. Ken Anderson and T.J. Watt. Philip Lindsay, got Jalen Smith. Young Ho Koo. Carlos Hyde, and there's a nice one. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, rookie Gridiron Kings. Then we got Antoine Winfield for the Bucks, Kenny Clark, Christian Wilkins. Clyde Edwards-Helaire for the Chiefs. Nice one. Rookie Gridiron Kings. Right, we got Melvin Ingram, Keenan Allen. We got Noah Fant, Tremaine Edwards. We got Darius Leonard. And another one for the Chiefs, Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Nice. Zach Ertz and Lamar. All right, we got Kyler Murray, Dante Hightower, DJ Chark, DJ Moore, Jack Doyle, and we got Kenneth Murray for the Chargers, Big Ben, Travis Kelce, and Kid Reporter. Got Matt Judon, Malcolm Jenkins, Hollywood Brown, got Corey Littleton, and let's see what we got here. Whoops, got a Baker Mayfield. That's a nice looking card. Dominators. Then we got Logan Wilson, got a Joe Montana, and McCole Hardman. Joe Montana for the Chiefs. Baker Mayfield. All right, we got Harrison Smith, Evan Ingram. We got Sam Darnold, Aaron Donald, Max Crosby, C.J. Henderson for the Jaguars, Geno Atkins, and Dante Johnson. Raheem Mostert, Jared Allen, got Jimmy G. We got C.J. Mosley, and we got a parallel press proof of Patrick Mahomes for the Chiefs. Man, must be Chiefs night. Xavier McKinney, Devontae Adams, and Devontae Parker. All right, we got Chris Carson, Taysom Hill. We got Mitchell Trubisky, Montez Sweat, Kamalea Correa, Cole McDonald. For the Titans, Carson Wentz, Aqib Talib, kid reporter. Odell Beckham, Mike Evans, Jacob Hollister. Got Kenny Galladay, Anthony Miller. Hey, there you go. It's a nice Joe Burrow, rated rookie. Alshon Jeffrey, and another Patrick Mahomes. Third Patrick Mahomes. Record 7 Patrick Mahomes in one night. Still got a ways to go. That's a nice Joe Burrow. All right, Michael Gallup, Dak Prescott. Got Barry Sanders, Christian Kirk. Got Donnie Shell, Steelers, inducted Hall of Fame. Got a Harrison Bryant for the Browns. Minka Fitzpatrick. And Chris Jones. All right, we'll do Donruss Elite next. Right, we got Lamar Jackson, Drew Lock, and we got a Christian Fulton rookie card. Spellbound, Christian McCaffrey, and Aaron Rodgers. Christian Fulton for the Titans. We got Kenyon Drake, and we we got a patch. Primary colors of Joe Mixon. Joe Mixon for the Bengals. We got Austin Eckler for the Chargers. Another Joe Mixon and DJ Moore. Got Josh Jacobs, Travis Kelce, got Joshua Kelly rookie, Spellbound, Christian McCaffrey, and Leonard Fournette. Now, Leonard Fournette, I was going to let you know, we'll go to the Jaguars because that's the uniform he's got on this card. There's Joshua Kelly, rookie card for the Chargers. We got Ryan Kerrigan, Christian McCaffrey. There's a fourth Patrick Mahomes, Full Throttle. DK Metcalf and Devin Singletary. It's definitely the Chiefs night. All right, we'll do Chronicles. Right, we got Charlie Warner, another Tua, it's a Justin Herbert, Adam Trotman, and Chase Young on the select. Pretty nice cards out of that one. Chase Young. And Justin Herbert, Raider rookie. Yeah, finally got a Herbert. Hey, hopefully there's some more in here. Man, there's our third Clyde Edwards-Helaire. And from Arkansas State, we got an auto. Omar Bayless. Gabriel Davis. We got C.D. Lamb. And Cheyenne O'Grady. C.D. Lamb for the Cowboys on Crown Royale. Then, let's see. Omar Bayless is going to the Carolina Panthers. Then we got Clyde Edwards-Helaire, rated rookie, going to the Chiefs. All right, Donovan Peoples-Jones. We got Bryce Perkins. Let's see who we got here. Quintez Cephas from Crown Royale. James Morgan. And Zach Moss. Got Shea Patterson, rookie. There's another Justin Herbert. On the playoff, got Brian Lewicki on select, Colin Johnson, and JaMycal Hasty. Hasty. And Herbert. All right, then we'll do our 2 hobby packs, Legacy. All right, we got DK Metcalf, Phillip Rivers, got Sam Darnold, Aaron Jones, got Tom Brady in his New England outfit, and Andre Johnson, got Zach Moss on the rookies, and Grant Delpit. Let's see if we can get something better out this time. Got Derrick Henry, Austin Hopper, Josh Jacobs, Tom Brady, and we got a Jalen Hurts for the Eagles. That's out of 299, 238 out of 299. Got Derek Brooks, got Keyshawn Vaughn, and AJ Epineza. All right, we'll do a recap and all right, we got a Tom Brady, Jalen Hurts, out of 299, red. Tom Brady, got Justin Herbert, JaMycal Hasty, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Tua, we got CD Lamb, another Tua, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Rookie Gridiron Kings, Patrick Mahomes, parallel, Full Throttle, Patrick Mahomes, got Joshua Kelly, got a patch, Joe Mixon, got Christian Fulton, Donnie Shell inducted, patch, Baker Mayfield, Patrick Mahomes, Dominators, Baker Mayfield, C.J. Henderson, rated rookie. Got a magnet card of Rise and Shine, Carson Wentz. Got Joe Montana, Patrick Mahomes, Jeff Okudu, Saquon Barkley impressions, parallel Nick Bosa. We got Denzel Mims, Joe Burrow. Got Omar Bayless auto, Clyde Edwards-Helaire rated rookie, Justin Herbert rated rookie. And we got Chase Young on select. That's all we got tonight, guys. I appreciate y'all playing, man, and hope you enjoy the game. Thank you.